My name is อภิสิทธิ์น้อยคำเมือง and my number is 005
My name is พลเทพวกับ and my number is 003
My name is อนุกูลจันทร์วงศ์ and my number is 009
Hi, Leg. Are you okay?
Hello, Pet. Get thank you. And you?
Pretty good. Thanks, Leg. Please let me introduce you to my friend, Ot.
Hi, Ot. It's nice to meet you.
Hello Leg, glad to see you too.
Well, I have got to go now. Have a nice day.
That's okay. Take care.
Hi Pet, how is it going?
Hello, Ot. Fantastic. Thank you. And you?
Alright, thanks Pet. This is my friend Leg.
Hi, Leg. Pleased to meet you.
Hello, Pet. Nice to see you too.
Well, I might go now. Have a good weekend.
That's alright. Have a nice trip.